We're on day number 3 here at Stone Ridge Stud here in Paris, Kentucky. The Evos are rocking and rolling driving these posts. I'm having a very difficult time trying to keep the paddocks marked out. It's roughly around 2 o'clock. I ain't even got to watch it. I'm looking at my wrist. But it's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I had nothing but marked out paddocks. I've got a crew that's laying out posts. So they've drove about 800 posts in just 2 days, really. The first day was just trying to get motivated in here, and then getting some semi-loads of posts in here. And they're having a little bit of trouble trying to keep up with us as well. As soon as the truck rolls in, we're grabbing those posts off and laying them out in the field. So I'm gonna kind of show you what's going on today. We've got Ty's Custom Fencing, one of my subcontractors in here. He's up here coming down the hill. And you got Jerry Hershey down here driving in the second paddock as well. So they've got all the road front done. They've got this paddock done, which goes way over there by the barn and way past that tree. Usually I don't have the opportunity to drive as many posts and stay focused on just that. Usually we're already starting to hang the boards or put the wire on, and I've gotten ahead to actually drive a lot of posts before we even start hanging the material. But it's just amazing looking at the product before anything's really on it. And this is just basically 2 days so far. Roughly around 800 posts. It goes way down to the bottom of the hill, as you can see there, with 2 Evos pounding post. Taz is brand new. He just got his. His is an Evo Compact, and that's a handy little dude there. But if you like what you see, like and subscribe my channel, Sticks Fencing, and there'll be a lot more to come. We do probably 2 or 3 of these projects a year, and then we've got some smaller jobs. Getting really big into the tornado wire. I'm a dealer here in Kentucky with it, and we're really going to push hard trying to get some of these horse farms to switch from non-climb beam mesh to 1348-2 that we offer. Stay tuned, you guys. Thank you. It's day number 4. We are dropping boards on the 460 project. This is the road front. They're going to be doing 4 board here. So I'm going to kind of explain what this guy's doing in the orange. He is actually marking the top line, and I've run a string from start to finish to know our placement of our top board. And then what we're going to do is mark 14, 27, 39 after we take this string down, and that way when we hang our boards we don't have to second guess where our boards are going. We're already ready. This is going to be 4 board, so we're putting 2 at each post. 2, 2, 2, 2. Very simple. Say what up, Eddie?
What's up, the boss? You looking like the Black Reaper and stuff.
No, you look good, baby.
Oh, I'm always looking good for the pictures and stuff.
So what they're doing, they're gonna we put 2 bundles on the trailer, and they'll take 2 and throw them off at each post. That way we're 100% ready to hang these boards when we do. We can do about 8 to 10 bundles a day. That's over 800 boards in a day. I'm down here with chickens laying out posts right now. That way the post driving crew can come in right behind us. They just finished the right-hand side of the driveway. They're on the other side right now, getting ready to start hanging some boards over there. If we start at 8 o'clock in the morning, we can hang around 900 boards easily in a day. We didn't get started here until about 2 o'clock, and it's now 3 o'clock. So we've got everything laid out, all of our oak boards at every post that we need them at, all the way to the top of the hill. We've got our top line run. We're only cutting probably, I don't know, ½ inch off. And we take a marking stick and we measure 14, 27, and 39. That way, when we go to hanging boards, it's just easy. My boy Eddie's on the nail gun. Good? Yeah. If you're ever doing board fencing, especially oak, I do not recommend to leave your boards laying on the ground for too long, maybe a day at the most. We'll drop enough to do just a day's worth of work. That's usually about 7 to 8 bundles. This right here is only 4. What happens is those boards will warp real bad. So we want to get those on the post as fast as possible.